Welcome to Lesson 6.4, Staging to Production, from SAP S/4HANA Cloud Supply Chain, CS4CSC, by KRTI Edu. In this session, we'll explore how materials move from the warehouse to the production line through the staging process, a critical link between logistics and manufacturing operations in SAP S/4HANA Cloud. Material staging ensures production lines never halt due to missing materials. We'll cover staging concepts, production supply areas, movement types, and EWM integration that together make this process efficient and traceable. You'll also learn how to execute staging manually and automatically using SAP Fiori apps. By the end of this lesson, you'll be able to perform material staging for production orders, configure control cycles, analyze accounting postings, and validate integration between warehouse, production, and finance. You'll also complete a hands-on mini-lab to reinforce your learning. The role of staging in production. Staging connects warehouse logistics with production execution. It ensures the right materials are physically available at the production supply area (PSA) before production begins. Without staging, production could suffer from delays, manual rework, and inaccurate stock visibility, all of which increase operational cost and lead time. Business context. Why staging matters. In a manufacturing environment, every minute of production downtime costs money. Staging eliminates uncertainty by automating material movement from storage to the shop floor. S/4HANA Cloud integrates this process so that as soon as a production order is released, reservations and stock movements are generated automatically. Staging process overview. Let's visualize the staging process. When a production order is released, the system creates a reservation for required components. Warehouse operators issue materials from storage using movement type 261. These materials are then staged at the PSA and consumed during production confirmation. The process updates both inventory and financial accounts instantly. Reservation and requirement creation. When a production order is released in S/4HANA Cloud, a reservation is automatically generated for each component. It defines what materials, quantities, and dates are needed. You can review reservations using Display Reservation, MB23, or via the Manage Production Orders, F2338 app. Reservations are the foundation for staging accuracy and system-driven movement. Fiori app, Manage Production Orders, F2338. This Fiori app enables planners to create, schedule, and release production orders. Upon release, SAP generates component reservations automatically. It also connects with the control cycle setup to determine staging method, manual, automatic, or pull-based. This tight integration ensures real-time readiness for production execution. Manual material staging via Fiori. In manual staging, warehouse operators use the Post-Goods Issue F0843A app. They enter the production order number and confirm issued quantities. The system posts movement type 261, goods issued to order, transferring materials from warehouse storage to PSA. This updates stock and production order costs simultaneously. EWM integrated staging, automatic. With EWM Lite integration, staging can be fully automated. When the production order is released, the system generates staging tasks visible in the warehouse monitor F2755. Warehouse staff confirm these tasks via Fiori or handheld devices. Once confirmed, materials are automatically made available at the PSA, no manual posting required. Production supply area (PSA) concept. A production supply area represents a physical or logical location on the shop floor where materials are stored just before consumption. Each PSA is linked to a specific storage location and production line. By mapping PSAs in configuration, S/4HANA Cloud knows exactly where to deliver staged materials, streamlining both logistics and production efficiency. Control cycles define how materials are staged, whether manually, automatically, or based on Kanban. They link materials, plants, and PSAs with staging rules. In configuration, control cycles determine when and how SAP triggers staging tasks. For example, push-based staging occurs automatically when a production order is released. Movement types and accounting logic. During staging, movement type 261 is used for goods issued to the production order. The accounting entry debits work in progress, WIP, and credits inventory. This ensures material costs are correctly transferred from warehouse stock to production cost objects. These postings are visible immediately in the Display Journal Entries F0709A app. Real-time stock impact. When staging is posted, the system updates stock in real time. You can view this in Display Stock, Multiple Materials F0271. Warehouse stock decreases, PSA stock increases, and the production order shows material availability as fulfilled. This transparency ensures that planners, warehouse staff, and production teams all work with synchronized data. Monitoring material staging in EWM. In EWM, staging tasks are monitored through Warehouse Monitor, F2755. Supervisors can view which orders are pending, in progress, or completed. Task confirmation automatically updates PSA stock and production order reservations. This end-to-end visibility supports lean manufacturing and real-time decision-making. Integration with production execution. Once materials are staged, production can begin. When operators confirm the order, the system performs backflushing, automatically consuming staged materials based on the bill of material. This eliminates manual consumption posting, maintaining efficiency and data accuracy. All related accounting entries flow seamlessly into finance. Mini Lab, Staging to Production, Part 1. Let's now practice material staging hands-on. Step 1. Create and release a production order using Manage Production Orders F2338. Step 2. Review the reservation automatically created. Step 3. Post Goods Issue, Movement 261, using Post Goods Issue F0843A. Step 4. Verify stock reduction in storage and PSA increase. Step 5. Display material documents F77 to confirm system postings. Mini Lab, Staging to Production, Part 2. Next, we'll validate accounting and EWM integration. Open Warehouse Monitor F2755 to review staging task status. Then open Display Journal Entries F0709A to check debit-credit postings between WIP and inventory. Confirm order completion and backflush results. This exercise simulates a real manufacturing staging workflow. You've now learned how staging connects logistics and manufacturing in S/4HANA Cloud. We explored staging types, control cycles, movement types, accounting impact, and EWM monitoring, supported by a practical mini lab. In the next module, Module 7, Physical Inventory and Stock Counting, will focus on ensuring stock accuracy through cycle counting and reconciliation.